Mr. Alden Richards.
Hello po. Muli po maraming salamat po sa PMDC, sa mga jury po and members of the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat po for this recognition for Fried Breakups in a Romance. Yung partner, pagkatatambal po namin dito ni Miss Julia Montes nung nag-uusap kami nung ginagawa po namin yung pelikula, parang hindi po kami siguradong dalawa. Pero I think yung tinuro po sa akin ng pelikulang to is sometimes there's beauty into the unknown. And I think risk is always right around the corner, but you just have to jump into it and kailangan mo lang tanggapin at gawin ng yung lahat ng makakaya. So muli po, to JMA Pictures, to Myriad Entertainment Corporation, and to Cornerstone Studios, thank you for this chance. I share this award po sa lahat ng mga kasama ko sa pelikula. And isang malaking karangalan po ito na mabigyan ng recognition for this film. So muli po, maraming salamat po and magandang gabi. Thank you, PMDC.
The 40th